In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font style in Gmail PC. By the end, your emails will automatically use the font you prefer, so you don't have to adjust it every time you start composing. This works in a web browser on your computer and affects new messages and replies going forward. Start by opening your preferred web browser and signing into Gmail. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner for the little gear icon, which represents settings. Click it to open the quick settings panel. In that panel, choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where you can customize Gmail more deeply. At the top of this page, make sure you're on the General tab. You'll see a long list of options here. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Default Text Style. This is where Gmail stores your baseline formatting for message text. Inside Default Text Style, click the Font Style drop-down. Gmail offers several web-safe fonts that display reliably across devices, such as sans serif, serif, and fixed width, along with additional options depending on your account. As you select different fonts, you'll see a live preview in the text box, which helps you gauge readability. Choose something that feels clean and easy on the eye. Simpler fonts often look more professional and are easier to read on different screens. While you're here, you can also adjust the size and color. The size options range from small to huge for most people. Normal or large strikes a good balance. If you choose a color, pick something with strong contrast against the white background to keep your text accessible. Dark gray or black is a safe bet for legibility, and it ensures your messages are easy for recipients to read. Once you're happy with your font, size, and color, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. This part is important. Click Save Changes. Gmail will apply your new default immediately. The next time you click Compose, you'll see your selected font style in the message body, so you can start typing without extra formatting steps. If you reply to a message, your default will also be used, unless you manually change it in that specific email. If you ever want to switch things up, just return to the same default text style section in Settings and choose a different font, size, or color, then save again. That's all it takes to personalize your Gmail experience and keep your emails consistent and polished. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new default font.